Welcome to our channel. If you're watching this video, chances are, you're in a long-distance relationship or considering one. Long-distance relationships can be challenging, but fear not. We're here to share expert advice and valuable tips to help you maintain a strong and loving connection, regardless of the miles between you. Let's dive in. Section 1. Establish the foundation for success. Before we explore specific strategies, let's focus on establishing a solid foundation for your long-distance relationship. Communication, trust, and commitment are key elements to make it work. First and foremost, establish a clear and mutual understanding of your goals and expectations in the relationship. Discuss topics like commitment, future plans, and the level of communication you both desire. Cultivate trust by being transparent with each other. Honesty and loyalty are crucial for a healthy long-distance relationship. Effective communication is the backbone of any successful relationship. Establish routines for video calls, messaging, and sharing important moments. Explore various ways to stay connected despite the distance. Remember, maintaining personal growth and independence is equally important. Encourage each other's hobbies, goals, and social life, as it contributes to overall relationship satisfaction. Section 2. Nurturing the connection. Now that we've established a strong foundation, let's dive into nurturing the connection to keep the flame alive. Plan virtual dates and surprise each other with thoughtful gestures. Use technology to your advantage by sharing experiences and creating shared memories virtually. Keep the romance alive by sending each other handwritten letters, care packages, or small gifts. It's the little things that show your love and care. Maintain intimacy by exploring creative ways to connect physically despite the distance. Use video chats for intimate conversations, and don't be afraid to spice things up with some flirtatious messages. Regularly express your love and appreciation for each other. Words of affirmation go a long way in strengthening your emotional bond. Section 3. Overcoming challenges and staying positive. Long-distance relationships come with their fair share of challenges. It's essential to anticipate them and stay positive in the face of adversity. Establish a realistic timeline for your long-distance phase. Having a goal to work towards provides hope and motivation. Communication is vital, but it's equally important to give each other space. Find the balance between staying connected and respecting each other's individual lives. Avoid excessive jealousy and trust issues by having an open and honest conversation about expectations regarding friendships and socializing. Turn the distance into an opportunity for personal and relationship growth. Explore new hobbies or engage in activities together virtually, such as cooking or exercising. Maintaining a long-distance relationship can be challenging, but with the right strategies and mindset, it is absolutely possible to make it thrive. Remember to establish a strong foundation, nurture the connection, and overcome challenges together. By staying committed, communicating openly, and trusting each other, you can make your long-distance relationship a source of strength and joy. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your journey.